Songbird rebuilt. So this morning, what I did was I made some sausage for breakfast. Just some regular sausage, just plain sausage for breakfast. And what I did was, since I like to buy it plain sometimes, because I used to buy all kinds of sausage with all kinds of different flavors from the meat market, delicious different kinds. So now, like I said, I got the plain sausage so that I could season it on my own. So this morning I seasoned it with oregano, sage, and salt and pepper, and a little small amount of saffron. So I left that in the pan. There was only about 2 tablespoons of oil that came from the amount of sausage that I used for breakfast this morning, because of course I don't try to load up my plate with it, because I mean it's good, it's tasty, but why, I mean, if I don't eat low fat foods, so I figure if I eat what I want, I'll just eat a small amount or whatever, and then I don't have to worry about if it's good for me or if I overdid it and if I hurt my body, my physical self, which leads to hurting other parts of yourself. So anyhow, I have this chicken here that I opened up because I don't like to just eat anything. So I opened it up, and not saying that someone else does. I opened it up, the chicken, and I